TikTok trend which challenged people to answer a question based on the lyrics of a popular song. So this morning we'll be attempting to do the same.
Attempting
is operative. All right, we got it.
Ready.
We got this. We got
Ready.
this. Let's go.
Clive us.
We got
All
this.
right.
Question.
How did it?
What's the question?
Ready.
What?
Where was
Usher at 7?
7 o'clock on the block. I'm in my drop top, rolling the seats. We know these things.
Drop top.
Rolling the seats.
Whichever part
I don't know.
the streets.
I got a pretty
Who
lady.
did Whom did Tevin Campbell invite on a walk?
Wait. Can we talk for a minute? Is that last night I saw you standing. I saw you pretending you. Can we talk?
No.
What a wicked
Can we talk or
song.
no?
Wait, invite on a walk.
Brown-eyed girl.
Come walk with me. Hey! Bop, 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 bop.
Brown-eyed girl, come talk with me.
Girl, come walk with me.
He was talking about me.
Brown-eyed girl, come talk with me.
What you wanna say?
I wanna do
it, Tevin, do it.
all the things in love a man should do.
I love it. We're going to Dubai.
Okay,
cut the song.
wow.
Arr.
Next one. What mode of
transport did
the
Elephant
plane,
Man-
the signal of the plane. Dancing in Jamaica.
Oh
Okay,
my
wow.
gosh. Ask us some things we don't know.
What was the waiting bear's
The
hand?
woman in the bed that wait upon him. And she never
Now
happy.
look at me.
At a quarter to 3.
At a quarter. Double trouble.
Waiting.
Noggin.
Nagging. You should have gone
He
early.
didn't say nagging, he said noggin.
Well, quarter to 3. She sleep and wake.
You know when somebody nog you, you know when you're going past nagging and somebody start nog you, it is a serious.
His father.
Yes. Again.
If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love
To dance with my father again.
Tune. Next. In which
November.
month will be with who?
Gone till
He's
November.
Gone till November. This is a big tune. Just turn around and cry.
I Simone and the
I
elevator
ask
about it.
myself, why, oh why? Baby, you can't understand. I must go from. No man, you have to reach the chorus.
I'll be gone.
I'll be gone. I can't run it. You have to wait till the beat, right? Say, I'll be
gone to November.
Hey, it's a tune. You have to wait till
to
the.
November. Me like that him a come home for Christmas. Yes.
Go down, go back. January, February, March, April, May. You have to wait till the beat drops.
Michael Jackson.
Billie Jean.
Billie Jean. Where she a go, that girl? Come on.
What an eclectic mix of tune. Billie Jean was not his lover. Williams is joining us for a discussion on mistakes to avoid in your 20s.
And their World Championship segment checks in with Eugene, Oregon.
Yes, Jordan Gardner.
Tracktown,
Straight up foreign.
USA.
All right, that's it for Smile today, folks. Today's thought, when you make a mistake, respond to yourself in a loving way rather than a self-shaming way. That's from Ellie Holocom. We are gone, but not until November. We'll see you soon, okay? Have a great Tuesday.